Hi guys, welcome back. So are your electric windows as slow or as stuck as this? The first course of action is to get some silicone spray. This is a WD-40 variety, and spray it down the rubber channels where your glass slides up and down. I did that and my electric window was still doing this. So then what I did was took the door card off, Google or have a look on YouTube for how to do that for your particular car, and then I sprayed more silicone down the rubber channel that's on the inside of the door, and I sprayed spray grease on the mechanism for the electric windows. However, there was still no improvement. What I did notice is if I helped the window up, I could hear like a grinding coming from inside the door. So then what I did was I took the glass out and then I took the mechanism out. Again, Google how to do that. This doesn't sound too healthy in here, especially if it falls off the door. And you can hear there that the grinding's coming from inside the electric motor. So I took a hammer and screwdriver and popped the back off, and you can see that inside is all full of rust, and that's what's grinding in the gears. All the rust has come off and gone into the mechanism. So I squirted a load of lithium grease down the sides and got it sounding a little bit better. So after I'd ordered a new motor, in the meantime I took it apart, cleaned it all out, and if you use the kitchen sink, make sure you clean up after yourself, because I was not popular. There we go, that looks a bit better, doesn't it? Then I put it all back together. Well, it's not very quiet, but it's going up and down by itself. So there you go guys, a few things for you to try if you've got really slow or grindy electric windows. If that's been helpful at all, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below if that's helped you, and I'll see you on the next one. Does this remind anyone else of like the Terminator in his dying stages?